What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. You know what I mean? The talk of phone fix it, my people. You see me? So we are gonna do this like yesterday. So here I go, me I run through the intro quick and fast, my people. Boy, me I telling you, them I do any bad, my people. Them I do any and I picnic them bad, especially Meca. And pan a level still, you know, my people. I think that was a story time with Meca, you know. Pan a human something, you know. You see it, and me not lie, me not know if me not hear the full story or see the bad part of it, but me not see nothing bad there. So when it come to when the man enter in the wrong hole, she just a tell a story, you know what I mean? Him not go in there. She a say him did a try and she stop him. You see me? Me no know if me a talk foolish or me not talk it like how it go, but that me hear. You see it, but correct me if I don't say go. Tell me in the comment section. We also have Rosealee breakdown and a ball, my people. You see me I say Jano star, yo. Boy, as me telling you, my people, the GX and Rosealee saga, it bigger than Annie and Rosealee and Akeem and Dyema, and figure it out. The big. You see me I say that are the most interesting saga we go on TikTok, but enough people don't really see it. You know what I mean? But here we go with people, we have that. We have TikTok police are defending woman to the max, you know what I mean? We have some people that talk about Meca and the man that enter in the wrong whole thing. You see me, them a give them opinion upon it. Them a chat foolishness still, because it look like say them not get the full understanding how I really go on or something, but me I gonna make you hear what them a say. See, me no remember if me left out things, me no know where me left out still, but you not gonna see it in the video, my people. Also, me add more things as we go on, so make we get in it, you know, quick and fast.
Could I go out with better? Could the chef could I do it? No, it could I do it better.
Chat, we can't win. You take I really know some smoke.
Guys, got 600 people over here. Me and I smoke. Chat, push up the score, chat.
I want to one over here.
Chat, push up the score, chat, please. Teamer. Blue team there. Team real.
Right now, Taps can beat him. Taps can beat him, team. Taps can beat him.
I say you ever come over here and disrespect people, you know, Annie. Black moderator.
Miss Cutie, what go on?
Talia, thank you so much, Talia Brown, for the rose.
Alright, 3 person, 3 rose chat. I know they're not gonna really catch it, but we catch it over here, so. 3 roses chat. 3 person, 3 roses. Quiz.
3 roses chat.
Alright, thank you, chat. No way, panic.
2 more roses chat. Come on, guys. Come on. Don't laze up the thing. Don't laze up the thing. Thank you. Miss Robinson, thank you. Chat, 1 more rose chat. 1 more rose.
Mrs. Lodge, Lodge.
Come on, my team. Fight, we are fight. Miss Cap, thank you.
Double chat, double my team, double.
Use the double chat. Use the double. Kifa, stand alone.
Double chat.
Use the double, my team. Kifa, stand alone.
Big up. Chat, big up something.
If I'm man, if it's true, baby.
Alia, thank you. Make something in the chat. Wow, that body.
Shoot my team.
Double chat, double.
Shoot my team.
Double team.
Miss Robinson, thank you.
I don't want money gun now.
They're gonna have money gun there, please, chat.
Alia, beg you have money gun there.
Guys, they're gonna have money gun there, chat. Beg you have money gun.
They're gonna have wheel chat.
Please, chat. They're gonna have money gun, chat, please. Chat, beg no money gun the chat, please, my chat.
Brianna, male wife, big up.
Beg no money gun chat, beg no money gun for the double chat, please. Carlin, thank you. Auntie Elma, thank you.
3 rows chat.
One more.
Tommy J, tap the screen or beg something, darling. Please, Shikabo. China, big up.
1 more rose chat, 1 more rose, guys. Beg no rose, no chat, please, chat. 1 more rose, no chat. Come on, no chat, catch your speed, chat.
My nice clean friend will come back up here, so Miss Baby, I can't beg you something.
Thank you. Guys, big up on yourself.
Miss Allen, I can't beg you help, Miss Allen. Miss Allen, I can't beg you help, Miss Allen, for win 1 match, Miss Allen. For a man in me, I be lose, Miss Allen.
I hear it up.
Oh. No? Could never be.
Oh.
So sweet thick like how you say no way over here do.
Chat, watch his snipe.
So we are telling me that for police.
Watch his snipe. Watch his snipe. Watch his snipe. Watch his snipe, chat. Mikey man, know him now. Nobody over there for snipe for him, you know. Bumbo clot.
Like have your blood clot. Like have your mouth. Rich, thank you, baby. Come chat, we play one more chat and then we dig.
Look here.
Rich, big up yourself, get one glove. Shine it, carry on. Add the big man, big up.
Lisa, thank you. Brina, thank you. One follower. Guys, everybody, thank you so much. We'll play one more. I'm sorry, baby.
Then good man. You're listening.
Rich, big up yourself, babes.
You want one of them puppy there?
No. I want a fluffy puppy. That.
Yeah, maybe I gotta take away one of them and bring up a yard and put one rope on him and I'll film up there.
Marisha, big up.
There. Man.
Keep my friends.
Chat, thank you so much. First gift double, chat. First gift double. Forever young. Forever young, beg us something. No? First gift double chat. Guys, use the double chat. Use the double chat. Use the double. Brina, beg it. Brina, lend me something there, Brina. Lisa, lend me something, Lisa. Brina, thank you. Lisa, lend me something, Lisa. Lisa, lend me, please. Please, Lisa. Alright, Lisa. That's all in Lisa. One donut, alright, that no look. So. I'm in Jamaica, where are you? Forever young. I can't beg our money gun pan the double ass song. Okay.
Man, go plan for you.
Big up yourself. Thank you so
God bless. Go plan for your mama. And your mama, you have to go plan for. Go plan for you and your birthday and the man when you come out time back. You can't plan for me. Go plan for your mother. 5 roses chat. 5 roses. I don't know if someone no go and go. I don't know if someone come here come.
Lisa, thank you. That 3 more roses chat. 3 more roses. Forever young. Thank you. 2 more roses chat.
Charlie, big up yourself, baby.
2 more roses.
Charlie, you can't black a girl. Princess, God bless me now.
2 more roses.
Chat, 2 more roses chat.
Thank you. 1 more rose chat. 1 more rose. Smith, thank you. 1 more rose chat. Blicky. That is it. Double chat, double. I'm not catching
no,
chat.
Then we 30 Charlie. I black me do and black somebody. Chat, we don't get no double in. You get jam and get it.
Double, my team. Guys, use the double chat. Use the double. Please use the double, guys. Use. On a tan there. Top tier, thank you so much. On a stay there.
You know, they get everything from the Telegram. But yeah, that we realize the truth. God on time, sis, in Jesus' name. Amen.
As I tell you now, I'm not stop telling you, anything we want to put out there, for me, I'm a woman, that not easy. Triple chat, and we not put out there, bro, that make me a hold on pan her tighter, cause me as I fight to not fight the thing. And right now, if uno fight the thing, and me stays and give up, or she stays and give up, it's like uno win, you know.
Amen.
It's like uno win, I tell you, and trust me, not under me living dead body, uno not win, uno not even gonna look like uno go win this.
Alright, my people. So, one thing me have to tell honest, you know what I mean? You have to just try to make good out of this situation, change up certain parenting skills, you know what I mean? Get tight up on Zoe, you know what I mean? Make sure that she got school and all these things, and take her off of the internet, because she's not supposed to be on the internet. You know what I mean? Yeah, she can dip on the internet, but as far as like TikTok and them something there, you have to limit that, you know what I mean? And the type of you know what I mean, type of things where she do on the internet, because that's one of the problem. Meca, you don't have no control over Meca, because at the end of the day, Meca her own big woman, and she can tell her own story, and nothing wrong with what she said. Me not see nothing really wrong with that, you know what I mean? But on a level, my people, you have some persons where, like, you see in life or how you grew up, the type of things them where you see, so you are going to think certain things. Okay, enough people pick me, no matter how them big, them not do them something there. Them not tell them the type of story there on the internet. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, my people, is when it come to the internet, most people, you have to sell your soul. You see me? You know, you can't have no morals nor nothing. You have to do anything that it takes to get seen, get gifts, get an audience, and them something there. And at that, because you have some people who say any publicity good, no matter if it good or bad. You understand? Make me know what you think we watch some more.
If I break, you no want break up me and her, you no go win. Maybe if you no want to do sickness, maybe you can accomplish it. But if I feel break up me and her as well now post this and post attack, I'm gonna feel away. At first, them come and want you feel away. So you know what them do, them start play some old screen record and me I say a bag of thing. Yo, me say when me hear me I say it and when me hear it, me vex, me upset, me get mad.
Big up on you, go through it for real.
Yeah, when me hear it, me get mad and that them a do for make she get vexed. She not get vexed, you know them a try to know, do things to make me get vexed and run.
Them a come off for the kids, them
yeah,
hurt
that
you.
them a do and then them a come off for the Jesus Christ, Father God.
I feel those pray, babes. We're stronger than this, you know that. We got this. No worries and problem. For me and him brains combine together, we're strong. Me I tell you that because me no one person will give up easy. No time in a life. Yeah, the past is the past. In the presence. That is it.
730, big up, you know.
Big up yourself, guys. And that's true, you know, say God not give we more than we can bear. Me I tell you that. Never, no matter how you see situation, I look some type of way. It always, if you settle down and look on it, it's so easy for just move on. You know? You with what me? Yeah. Everybody have a pass. Of course. And when you can't stand by your pass.
Guys, what I want to know though, because we are human, you know. I'm showing you this, we are human. And them a do whole heap, them a do. Better than before, thank you. Them a do whole heap. So here we are gonna do now. Me and my woman there, you know. We can hold it, but to what pressure? You see, if we have Uno now as a motivational background, bro. Oh God, man. Because we're there, so I would just want to know for motivate we.
7:30, big up yourself.
7:30, thank you. We just want to know for motivate we, because yeah, we are get that fight, they motivate we.
Just pray up.
Please, me I beg you, because trust me, you know, them a fight, you know. Them a fight. Me no know what. If I the hardy, if I the man, if I the woman, if I the picnic, if I the school, we don't know what
problem. But we know when the invitation job for September, all them are gonna feel.
Lord, them
remember me tell us about it bundong. Remember me tell us
that. It first start from the girl. Where ivany makeup yesterday and of course we favorite up. Me no remember she
no call her no, don't call her.
Yes, sorry about that. But it start from she never for call her name in a video.
Me know, but make sure.
And then everybody feel like say, oh no man. A right time now for jump on.
Yes, true, bad man, for real.
Yeah, that you must say, you know.
Yeah, right time
now for jump on Annie, because she no want argument with the local idiot and the local idiot they could have can't manage because she have a squeaky voice. She got a squeaky voice and she can't manage. I tell you no, so them feel like say yo them can't run.
But babe, me even feel a long time a girl yet for me and I cost me, you know. I mean never did really know, you know. And you
Prosperity, thank you. 37, thank you. Chat one more rose chat. I never say speed that go away, no. Chat one more rose chat. Trixie, thank you.
Yeah, Annie, you wanna fight you. Yeah, me see that. It's all my babe say Annie not tell them nothing. I thought she did say Annie.
That me just talk about that too, you know. When me tell you say that you your family them wanna know what go on and know kawa.
See invitation, you know wanna know about that?
Yeah, invitation different. Them just know say you are going on next 3 more day your wedding, you know. Or just get to yourself or make them know for a week.
So you really not go drop an invitation before you?
Baby, me not make nobody know nothing what go on. Nothing. Me and you, the pastor and the church, and yeah. And that's what go on. I want them here, my boy over the man body tough one, a chat about that thing.
months.
Yeah, your son over there.
Yeah, my own son there over there. But babe, we don't think we can make that define because we are people out there we love we and really are support.
No, them are good people are gonna know, you know. People are gonna know, say, alright then guys, and next week I wedding, you know. But yeah, like how we're gonna make your family alright. We are set up the thing, you know. We are set up the thing, but we are gonna have some other people differently because we are gonna lift things, you know, but no they like for decorate the place and them thing there, we are gonna have people that do them thing there. So for instance now, we have a week left. We tell them, say, alright guys, Meca, everybody, and next week it got me, you know. So we'll forget things for dress.
So what about the people them from overseas? Can you ask supporter from overseas when one fly down just to come at your wedding? What about them, the people there? Think about it. Think about it. I understand what you say, but you have to remember the people them out there who really want to come down and support we and them something there. You understand? No.
Freeze for that, baby. Come on, fight and come back when it. You have to tell them months before so they can prepare.
Yeah, and prepare themselves.
You have to give 2 months notice. 2 months notice.
Do that 2 months notice. Remember, say September, October, November. So at least you would tell them in November. Then, but I say could I tell them in September so they can prepare themselves. You understand what I say? So then at the back of time with where we are do.
You have your group and me have my group, so I talk to them in that.
Alright, so we're gonna have like drop the people them in the group we want to say.
No, well, I think alright, who in my group I'm a supporter, my moderator them in my group. You see me? I don't know who in your group. But we have put the one group them together.
Okay.
Team Real, Team Blue together. You see me? So I don't know if any of your people in the group plan for come or if they want to come or you know.
Alright, we'll go work it out.
We can not talk over upon this.
No, we can.
Until them see picture, videos and guys snipe. Jesus Christ. Alright, chat. That look good. Killing dead in winning. Killing dead in winning 7:30. I'm gonna say 7:30. Don't feel at 6:30. Thank you so much. Alright, Prosperity, thank you. Top tier, Trixie. Guys, thank you so much, guys. A job successful. You might listen to music. Them play music, guys.
Top of the screen, everybody drop a gift. Thank you guys so much, alright? We're there.
What is?
May I tell you? You see, sometimes things happen, you know, I have to wonder if God really the up top of watch and allow them things to happen, you know. But sometimes the things that may happen have to build you, you know, in person, you know. You see me, cause I tell you, if God forgive you everything we ask for, I will pray for trust would have spoil like a little baby. Yeah, sometimes people eat for nothing because God say I know I not have nothing. Nothing me not have. Me have 3 pair of clocks so I wear go every single way. 3 number pair of clocks.
People, when you tell me what you think in the comment section, nah chat too much as me telling you my problem, so let me know what you think. I watch some more.
When we wear go everywhere I beat them. In a rain, I beat them. In a sun, I beat them. In a snow, I beat them. All when I know if I beat them, I beat them. So I don't know why people choose to bad mind me. We have 3 pair of clocks and beat them every single way. I don't have no farmer. I say, me, guys, no for eat me. Me a good youth. Me not have nothing for no bad mind. Me a eat me for nothing at all. Me there try build me look at thing them when I have. It just start to look like me I gonna live in a house. So me I try to build my local self. Some guys, oh God man, me not have nothing for no bad mind, me I hate my fan. So all them local thing they will now post and them thing they, oh God man. Oh God man, oh God, me not like that. Me not like that. Me not like that. Cheers, chat, cheers. Me not like that for sure. Bro, me know people on the app where we have achievement or have things where them achieve and the app congratulate them. You see me? Man never have a set of people them wanna just know say yeah them people they just have to get bring down. Have a set of people them we just know say them people no matter how much them come apologize nah listen. A fast with people. Look who are trouble people. Oh yeah, the same. When last you see me come, when you see me come out, I come trouble somebody. When you see me come out, I come trouble somebody. Eh? And then again trouble them over there so. Trouble that big idiot waist dopey but somebody over there so. When last? Eh? Brother, I'm not come out to come trouble nobody, brothers. Me know nobody do fast with my brother. Cause when you no fast with people now and people get upset and start chat a bag of thing now. You no see them one start like oh God bro, people have limit you know bro. People have limit. People have limit. I have some local big careless woman, big mag before you go buy food put in your house for nyam. You have time I post picture with people and I mislead this and I mislead that. But you say me not gonna address it, you know. But you say me not gonna address it, you know. But you say me not gonna come and me not gonna chat about it, cause as you see me still not call the person name. You see me not call the person name. But me say me not gonna talk about it, you see me? But when you check it out, people are send the picture to my phone. People are send the picture to my phone. That I post it to my mind. Margarita, thank you so much. Hey, that hurt me, I just them people I want you accept something where them are like them are do bad things to you and want you accept that. That them are do, you know, them are do bad things to you and want you accept that. Bro, oh no,
alright my people, so tell me what you think, you know what I mean? As me say me have mic issue my people. Me know not hear me clear or something, but it's like when me have to go through to deliver that sound, yeah. You know what I mean? Me used to have it digital, now me have to deal with the analog. You don't know what that mean, you know what I mean? Without explaining, like, you know, say it did easier, but now it harder for, you know what I mean, to deal with the talking or something. So that's why me I talk less, you know what I mean? So let me know what you think, make watch some more.
Nice. Bro, what I do, not nice. Never get up under that to nobody yet. Nobody at all. I never get up under that yet. And when I tell me a priest, I come at me, I'm gonna start do it. Yeah, somehow come at me, I'm gonna start do that, man. Cause if you have your phone, have your computer, have everything where you do your thing, put on all any head pan a body, you know, sir. And that you not doing, a brother. Somehow no know, man, from nowhere in a dog. I don't want to come fuck up my life in a dog. Sexy chin. You don't know, man, from nowhere. I don't want to come fuck up my life, bad man. You don't know how I live. You don't know what kind of ghetto I live in. I don't want to come fuck up my life, brother. And I go suck out on the deepest part of my mama, brother. You see, yo, God say I know. God say I know. You see the girl when you blame them sister, she may have deal with, you know. And God say I know. You have youth. You have youth. Blame them sister. You have youth. Eh? You don't know me from nowhere. You don't know me from nowhere. I never chat to you yet. Never. Not even play a match with you. Never. Every fucking day over there for my name. If I know my name, my name. Every fucking day. Buy food and eat. You know, see your mug, buy food, put in your house and eat. I told the people them don't know, so if you don't put up a blood clot green screen, your house look like a rubbish heap. Drunker, if you don't put up smart up your green screen, you don't have nowhere for show in your house. And you put up people like the fuck, brother. Go suck your mother to destiny. Batty boy destiny. Come on, how the fuck you for one big girl? Batty man. Oh, the fuck you for one big woman? Yo, you see how some man to bro? Some man support some local, yo. Some people itch up a foreign. You see me? Them would itch up a foreign and fuck up your life at Jamaica. Them itch up a foreign anywhere, bumbuckler foreign them there. And want to fuck up your piece of life or you try to make a Jamaica. You see the drunker them stay. You there yard where you know say blood clot as a fly pitch too hard, a man want murder that. If a fly pitch pan a man too hard, a man want kill that. I tell you. And some look big batty boy sit down a foreign. Some look big batty boy sit down a foreign. And through y'all live life for them not like or through them bad mind for whatever bumbuckler reason they want bad mind for. Them sit down a foreign and plan this and plan that and do this and do that and do be a look of fuckery. None of them not real, you know. None of them not real from morning. None of them not real from morning, bro. Bro, none of them. We see a run up bad man. What do you am there, so? What do you am there, so? And B said to me, say, yo, send the location to Jayden. Him a call and I say, yo, link up now and go river, So she said, send the location to Jayden. Send him the location. And now I not see him pull up. I never make it been a problem. Until yesterday, me hear say, me send location to Jayden for Jayden. Guys, I want to know if I understand. Please, me I beg you. Please, me I go beg you. Please. You see the person them where I go around and I put on, I do the picture thing. You see the person where I go around and I do the picture thing. Please, me I beg you for stop. Please, me I beg you for stop. And every day, not every day, I gotta be like how it normally be. Please, underneath have fear, guys. Fear God, fear God, have fear God, just fear God, man. You don't fear nobody, bro. Bro, when I try my best. Sexy chin, I try my best. I try my best to stay far from majority, most of the content creator them like I mean, I don't know why. Where the fuck, what kind of cross, what kind of road me and Batman Destiny cross for you fear a blood clot take my picture and I do that with my picture?
People, you see the lion man, as I said before, the lion man are the weapon we farm against. And you see me I say, so more to tell me if him just do this just because the clout are going to come with it and the audience and him name are going to call up on something and Ray, or him do it because him is a effort person. You see me I say, let me know in the comment section with people.
What kind of road may you cross drunk? What kind of words me ever say to you? Me ever play a match where you know me from? You just take up, me just pop up in your head, so and you just take up my picture and I do that. What kind of road may you cross? What would do? What me do to you? What me say to you? You just I take up my picture and I do this to my picture, bro. Bro, I know nobody tell me enough for chat. Cause when things put out on the internet, when from something go out on the internet and something I can rub out. So I know some batty boy ramp with my dog. Me no want some batty man ramp with my brother. Me no want some look me no brother, me no want to ramp with my dog. Brother, you have people over here, you have some local waste man over here where say them straight and ramp with batty boy. No boy can come on this and tell me say them straight and I ramp with batty boy. Me no want to ramp with my brother. Me see how they am on my life and barbz. And barbz. Want come send man request. You a dopey bat brother. You a dopey youth. See and down a cabana brother. But this say yesterday Jayden. Yesterday me this Jayden, I post on a video and I say Jayden, stay under your cabana. Stay under your look batty boy cabana. And from I said that it come like the batty boy them getting them feelings. From I said that the look batty boy them getting them feelings. Yeah, from I said that the look batty boy them getting them feelings. And the whole I know me see on screen recording sir. The whole I know sir. The whole I know me see on screen recording sir. The whole I know 4 I know. Batman Destiny. The whole I know. Suck on the mother. Bad man and stop follow me up, brother. Don't follow me up, brother. As someone have to come out come deal in the fish. Brother, and just avoid me and start follow me up, dog. The pussy when me a fuck a bada uno, when me sleep a bada uno, the clothes them when me have on a bada uno. Awa. Every fucking thing me do a bada uno. Here what me a go say. Here what me a go say. I'm a go beg. Please. You see the people them way they look out. You see they look out batty boy them, cause all if woman a do that a batty man style that. You see the people them where take the people them picture and I do where them want do to it. On the need to stop. On the need to stop, bro. You see me? On the need to stop. You know what una set up people for kill people. Una set up people for kill people. That una do. That una do, brother. Una know what una do, brother. Una know what una do, brother. And the people them I see a post it, me and them never cross party yet. Me and them never exchange word yet. Where them have with me? Where them where me and no have? Where me and no have? Where me and no have? Pauline is like me no know. Me no know. It's like me no know. It's like when I want for day and I go through be a depression. It's like on a day on one day and see me sad right through. It's like on one day and see me. I see, Annie did it good. See, Annie did it good. No problem. I made them thing there, you know. I made them thing there, bro. Trust me. I made them thing. I see me there, they come in there. They like when we did vex and thing. She there good. Everything I work out for everything, bro. And boom. As me come here so now, bro, everything just I go down the next way, bro. I feel fuck up, bro. God say I know I feel fuck up. I swear to God, I feel fuck up, bro. Nobody never dare do this, bro. Nobody at all. Everybody I live good, bro. I feel like say yo. Everybody good. Everybody good, dog. Everybody. Every single body. Who accost people now, me not even they know say them did upon the Father God. I don't know. It's like everybody. I don't know if I'm me, I don't know want to see happy. I don't know want to see the people them around me happy. I don't know. I don't know what, bro. All of the people way I do the bad things to people. Guys, like I said this. everything happen for a reason. You see me? Everything happen for a reason. I know say a whole heap of people not like me. A whole heap of people not like me. But this is what I gotta say. From my heart now, I'm sorry. Everybody, if anything I'm do for offending you in the past, anything I'm do for offending you, I'm sorry. You see me? Guys, me not hate nobody. Me not hate nobody. And I want love. Me not hate nobody. You see me? Me not want nobody to hate me. Me not want nobody to just one love save me. Don't like picture thing, when I go too far, brother, when I go far. That way bumbuckler far, brother. Far, brother. And I gotta share something with you.
My people, me not gonna lie to you, you know. Me love how the youth here stand up beside Annie, you know. You see me, although, you know what I mean, that's supposed to be the norm for any man who have them woman who go through certain things, you know what I mean? Because me know say she need all the emotional support where she can get certain way, you see me, because me not lie my people, if the entire world, like the internet down upon you like how them a deal with Annie, you see me, I say you must feel away, you have to feel away, and then our youth them share them a deal with our youth them a certain type of way also. But you have to know say, you know what I mean, that comes with the territory, you see me, and on a level certain things like them do it to themselves in a way, if you don't know what I mean, you see it. But me don't want to think, I could watch some more people.
Them do this to me already, you know. Them do this to me already. You see me? Where them crap out, them have a video. Them have a look at Batman on a video. I play with himself. But what them do, them crap out the first part of the video. Crap it out. And I show the last part. And post it up. And say, oh, watch TikTok police. Them send it in the same group where them have the same Telegram group where them have. Them send it in. And I say TikTok police, and I say me. And God, Father God, that's why I'm thank you. Hey, guys, you know, I'm overdone live. Overdone live, my daddy day. Who know Dan? If you don't know Dan, yeah, overdone live, my daddy day. Overdone live, my daddy day. And me, Dan, TikTok liar, and some other people over there. You see me? And Batman King come on the live and say, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. I say, let me see your hand. Let me see your finger, him say. Let me see your finger. So I go so. Him say, are you? So I say, you are. Big stinking more trees. Big stinking more trees. Take call me on IG. Say the same thing. Let me see your finger. I say, drunker, none of you can come set me up, you know. None of you can come set me up. Anyways, I go back over down live and them I say, I see the video. Akeem King must send them the video. Bro, as them send down TikTok liar everybody, them find the real video. The real original official video. And get you hear what them do? The video was like 2 minutes. 2 minutes and them crap it. Them crap the video from 2 minutes to around 30 seconds. That's what them do. For bring me down. That's what them do. For bring me down. Yesterday now, I make a video. Who no see the video can go watch it now on my page. Them edit it, yes. I make a video. I'ma say, Jayden, you're a batty boy. You have to stay under your cabana. Yeah. Every yeah, laugh up with people. Stay under your cabana. Yeah, laugh up with people. Stay under your cabana. Why style? They don't for go on like no one batty per man. They don't for go on like no one.
You understand me? Me no know why me a put in a little boy in anything about riddance. You there from your parents them too long. Come from Anna to riddance. You understand me? You teach the whole of them over support backwards. You did that. Anybody abuse the pin of them physically and verbally, me as a witness from the app, no say it's you cause it. You see the child protected services in Jamaica, them very shitty. I'm gonna say this. Child protected services in Jamaica, very shitty. It have to be public when a child get, you know, how you put it? The M1. Yeah. When a child get molded, you understand me, by an adult, you get what me I say? And you come out on the net and everybody talk about it, that's when child service in Jamaica jump on the case. Now, me that like to know who pay child services. Use a wagwan because to my knowledge, I pay child labor go on the internet. Number one, you're not supposed to live at Jamaica and have your picnic them on the net and them underage. Wrong bang. So me don't know what kind of country we about here so. And then everybody are complaining why Guyanese people they must have 27 subjects because we too done and free. Remember the Black Star Line where you come out from? You should take our data off of the internet because you understand.
Alright my people, so make we hear where Shibada officer, you know what I mean? Him also talk about Trish too. You see it. So and the things that him say about Trish, my people, it sound kinda, you know what I mean? More say, well, me they are gonna say it sound insensitive, but you be the judge of that. Tell me one thing. You know what? Me not gonna say that because at the end of the day, we don't know what happened to this youth if him unalive or not, but based on certain things, it don't look like him unalive for real. It look like say a prank or something, forget things. You know what I mean? So be the judge of that and tell me what you think in the comment section about where Shibada go say about Trish, the youth way, and allegedly, you know what I mean, done himself. You know what I mean?
And them have these babies on the app. Them have these babies on the app monetizing. And child protected service not talking about these things. As some know, so they don't care about the children. They look at the world and done for true, so they don't think picking at the future again. But if you say, if you're a customer that everybody jump up, keep the kids out of it. Our big mouth children, them on the app. And some of which underage. They don't care. They don't care. Them should have vehicle, the government should have installed vehicle to take up the one them at the stoplight. Them mother have to search for them after 2 weeks. I remember them are young adults. Yeah. You lock up the woman. It's true. It should be a case where if you're underage, you cannot talk in the background when your mama is alive or your papa. It shouldn't be a case like, oh, was you and you pick up on the net. And when you and them kick off now, your class, them and class, them pick me, which is them co-worker. The one of them talk about say, I don't like people because people are bring them kids in it. The picnic is working. The picnic work hard at work. So when Annie jump up on the top, and Jayden a hypocrite, Jayden is no hypocrite. Where you know Jayden from, Annie? Where you know Jayden from for Jayden the hypocrite? Jayden always have them something, and him add Shabada, know say me and Shabada argue over 5 years. Me not argue over 5 years. Me not give you so much of my time. Now push it up, Annie, because you're not about me. Me not argue over 5 years, girl. You're too liar. And you're one of the biggest liar upon it. Let me tell you something, people. Annie, I one of the biggest liars upon the app. Annie, I one of the biggest liars on the internet. Make me tell you, Annie, where you see me, I one of the biggest liar. Anybody where you see love ball, so, and easy for ball, I wicked them, and you dog shit. And it's not hate me hate type people, because God believe me, I don't hate Annie. Hold on, let me name this. Back to the matter and young people. I don't hate Annie. And I can't hate Annie. But let me tell you the truth, people. Annie is a wicked soul. God believe me, Annie is a wicked soul. No, Jamaican bad boy. No, I'm not laughing something, you know. I see what's something. Hear this. It's when Annie at the church, I pray against me, knowing that me never say nothing, I have nothing to do with Annie being fired. It shows the type of person that Annie be. Let me tell you something. It's if tomorrow morning, carry it down Annie Road, and a serious note, I have no feeling towards it. Me numb. It's either here or there with me. You know why I say so? Actually, me no want some carnage. Can't be that just say, me not go tell you, like, say, if carry it down and people say, Auntie carry it down Annie Road, me just say she's well deserved. Honestly, people will not understand. Me not hate her enough. But it's when you're evil like that, how you forget the church involved and you sit on one side so and you watch them speaking tongues only because you want collect a stipend from the internet. Remember what Judas did to himself. He hung himself. He hung himself. You never know. On a serious note, if nobody don't understand, say Annie is just pure evil. She make it bad for her offspring. On the blind. I say this. You see like how Trish fake her dead? You see tomorrow morning me hear say Trish dead. Me clap and me drink. You don't believe me? Life is so precious to the point where you don't even acknowledge the preciousness of life. You have to fake it that you're no longer here, but yet still you still like eat cause you're hungry. Oh come on man, somebody. We don't really need a wake up call. The whole lot need a wake up call. We don't have too much ogre that walk a give away. Hold on there. Let me teeth out some more. Wait there and I teeth it out on my own, you know. Chow. I must always say that. No. No share. When I tell you, say Annie is a wicked, dirty soul. When I don't believe nothing
Alright, my people, leave your comments. Make a watch some more.
at her. And she's very wicked. You know, say Annie will paint you worse than you really be. Exactly, my baby. Exactly. Of course, I didn't do anything for money. Me say me listen to Annie. And Annie the band and the my picnic. And Annie picnic them so cocky like dog. The 14-year-old daughter would have lick out batty from she a 4. Go on, yeah? Una always want justice instead of taking accountability for one start. Una walk and seek justice. Them not supposed to say this about my picnic. And you all stay bad pan the app. It turn off people from lunchtime. Oh. You all ugly. You come and talk like nothing good pass out of you. Fear is fear. You bring your kids them pan the app. Expect any form of backlash. Expect any form of backlash. When you two out of order. Me see you sit down here try to make your situation look powerful and pitiful. Go suck out your man them anyway no want you. The brother drying you. Remember Zoe belong to one of your brother. So when they talk about say, oh she said, Alex sex him sister. Anything possible, remember your brother drying you and so comes we know you. Remember when in the family Jagger used to beat Anna. It'll go down the line and ripple effect. Yeah, but nobody telling a lie. Nobody never telling a lie. Remember you're destined for fame, you know, so anything possible because no walk and go like on a band in a castle. Remember no walk and go like on a band in a castle. Tiki me can't accept your request. Go and talk to King when you nigga because that him alone messes up fishbone, so. Him have a wide passageway. No, but it's not like it's true. You class him. Yeah, you class him, but me not see you on live with him. Tiki me can't add you. Remember your love strip. Tiki, remember the last time I add you show your panty. Tiki me can't add you, my baby. No, me can't add you. You don't get saved yet. When you go into your church, me add you. Tiki me can't add you. You're mad. Little most remember program get banned, you know. Remember you show your G-string. Yeah. Remember you show your surgery. I can't add your ticket. The last time I added you show your surgery, my love, my shot. At that, I'm afraid that you said show what go there sticky now. No ticket. Me can't add you, my baby. No. The last time I give you a blind, you make everybody cuss me on the app. Me, my love. Ticket to me can't take cussing for you after the situation show you don't agree. Ticket then when you go stop, make sure beat you make sure beat you before you take off him glasses. Ticket me never like the fight, when I forgot fight over. My hurt. Me not lie. I forgot add my one time be for Jayden. Yeah. I forgot add Jayden. I been the one add Jayden and Jayden got add Shane. Worse like how the world is against Shane, like how the world against TikTok liar. Cause Jayden cuss police and I call up my name. I mean the one Jayden call up my name with my sister. Then what I mean them put police in a dress. Police look like him just come out for the plantation though. Him look strong. Him look strong in the dress, spaghetti strap at that. But wait, them a fix up police for the area. Police, you got the dentist yet? Because you're having them braces that too long for them not cleaning a dirty boy. Oh, nasty, so. That I see why I'm pit uneasy, baby. Bottle up the breath. No, but it's not no for true, man. Go clean your braces, them, man, police. You know much held over in your teeth. And then the drunk crow look like me too, you know. Me don't like it. Look here. Me can't take the bottle of the breath, you know. Your mouth can't think of animal thing, the house pop up. Me don't like the living condition or the sleeping arrangement. Then someday get to me. I need to even encourage the drunk crow to go cleaning teeth. Well, she don't know better. Cause a long time she a walk with a rotten gum.
Love me. Yeah, my mama never loved me. Nobody in the world can't show me shit, man. I feel like me that kill blood clot. You know what I'm bringing that. Listen, me have one knife, me know. Me that stab him up, chanta guy your bed. Kind of might get bloody. You don't send none coming to want nothing. Don't send me none coming to want nothing. No send me none coming to want nothing. Find a body. Find a bed. Bed! Any man of my blood top, man every time call me, my best to call me, the same story me I give them. Jake's a fuck, but I have my money, I buy fuck. I work part time, I jam money and count it in short. My mother never loved me. My mother never loved me. It's hard. Everywhere I'm going, I went to pussy blood clot. I went to be dead. I'm dead to blood clot. I bet I'm dead. And drunk on yam because I don't want to bury a blood clot. My mother will birth me. In 1993, never loved me. Man use me and take my money and buy fuck. My money will me a save. Better I'm a pitney them. Man I use me. Man have me a use me. One man me trust on me from me at 20 till now still end up hurt me. Can't take no more, man. How can I love again? Yeah. So you go. And my house nasty and dirty and I don't live nowhere. And my choose there, so I have pick and I have youth and I have man. And I send pick them go to school and I give them extra lessons and I give them private lesson. And buck up the text in your phone, your pussy tight. Love you. I have my blood clot money, I give blood clot.
Alright, my people, so, you know what I mean, I share a video with Rosealee emotional, you know what I mean, I say what she go do to Jakes or something, is it, so, you know what I mean, after this, you know, this is just a couple minutes, we'll have Rosealee in a Meca with Akeem, you see me I say, and then she talk about her experience, because it look like she had a blast, my people, so, we could get into the rest of this.
I feel for much of it. I feel for gasoline, blood clot, and light the fire. Oh no, every blood clot I just go to prison. And every world I see me a crumble. Me can't afford to fail, but me have fail. I fail. Pooping them over to the life. Father God. Say I know everything, but you can't fix it. If you go foreign and them sabotage me, the world is against me. So you go. Yeah, man fail me. He have me money I buy fuck and I choke me. Now warm me, that squeeze up my face. Come and find out. Yeah. We can't do nothing more. No send me a rose. No send me, I don't want nothing breathe. All me need is a hug. Don't want a thing. Sometime in these times, all I need is a fucking hug. The world is watching. Come, I'm not. I'm feeling alive. Mama like hate me like poison. Mama will burn me, hate me like poison. I can't go on like this. I can't go on like this. I'm gonna send me and coming out and on. I can't go on like this. Love me. Yeah, my mama never loved me. No.
No boy can't describe it. I'm gonna get that.
One moment in time, not to say it. I had I had a blood. I had a good pussy. Me a junk a blood clot, you know. And then I got to say me a mascot. I wouldn't want. A good pussy that I tell me and tonic and suck a woolly at your time. I'm gonna treat you mad! Dear, oh it goes! Dyema, where's my clothes on my arm? Enjoy yourself, Rose. Dyema, I'm going for a 3-6 Dyema. Dyema, all that's missing is the eyewear. Me like it. Dyema, you angle me for a 3-6. Where's the next week you're forward to? Dyema, you're mad! That time we go nice. I want we one place. Murder. I'm half a blood clot go there. Anything shit. Monsieur, the gas station, my love. The snap, so me sound a big. I'm down with my blood clot. Baby powder on a clean. Somebody please call Akeem and Akeem say, now I want my cigarette. My blood clot camera wanted. Rosa, look what's not carrying. Damn, I'm angry. Man, just sit down. You know, shy out. Damn, I'm just going to shy like a dog. You know, I drink the rubber, catch the vibe. Damn, I'm going to come like say, I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm going to figure out some one shot. I was like, this good. I said, no, pour more, you know.
Alright, my people, so yo, we are gonna watch some more, you know what I mean, and then we are gonna end it, you see me, but you see that nightlife, lifestyle, party lifestyle and something, you can get very addicted, you know. You see me, I say once people are show you love and them way there, you know, and it's not a healthy lifestyle. You see me, I say financially, you know, healthy, you know what I mean, and health wise also because the bag of drinking or something. But you know what I mean, we have a full joy ourselves, you see it, but everything in moderation. You see me, I love this Rosealee still, you know what I mean. So make me know one thing with people, make watch some more.
I got that figure out Rosealee thing already. I don't even post a card over the scene before in my lifetime, but a movie or a cause blood clot shit. But what man, put the camera start to one time I ain't seen for years no blood clot. That much want my money in a crowd. I look at war in them. I'm gonna get the sex. Damn, I'm trying to money in that crowd. And that, you know, spice up blood clot, you know, when I smoke with them, I'm going to take 2 blood clot draw. Lord God Almighty, murder, ration, the sign of Rosie done. Trat. But not to like, big up Meca. What screen card catch this? Some, Rose, you know, you're going. This is your trap of smoke and a puff, we say this not look shy. Big up Meca, the whole blood clot works. Big up TikTok. Work government. All the girls give me big up them clean citizens. All the girls give me big up them clean citizens in the world. The Rosealee do no life in there. They do no life. Blood clot. Dyema one. Dyema big up Dyema one at the blood clot road. They got to post it up. Big up Eddie. We got Dyema one attitude. We got blood clot figure it out. Yes. I'm gonna big up blood clot Akeem Tek. Come on, Akeem Nasa Rose Nasa Akeem and yes. Like I couldn't so nice. Like this. Big up on Akeem. Not like remember Akeem tonight. Yeah, they chopped up on the step. Dear. Big up TikTok and a good girl then. Rose, next thing say, I wish that I could have this moment. Next week I go, man, come on, stop. We don't want to have a party, you know? Dyema is a party, yeah? We don't want to wrap her up, but I'm going to wrap her up tonight. It's a fat out of my head. It's a fat out of my head, Dyema. I'm going to slice her at 2 and wrap her up. My dear. It's next week Friday. You have to come pick me up, Dyema. Yes, my love. Remember me half clothes, because I all clothes. Yes, my love. I have a chew on some of my boots. Pour me one place of Meca, Meca go nasty. Pour me one place. A strong drink and revive. Rep. And I rep. I come back to my foot for my blood clot. I come more like a blood clot boy, man. I come home to want some nice food in my own right now. Come here. Rose Jakes, you got my food. I give Jakes a because you don't know, you never get it, but him not like him never got shot him. Can't banana. Nah, use you. I want some banana blood clot, but I want some wood. I don't weed and me can't want wood. If I'm stiff, I'm can't comment yet. You want your wood stiff? Blood clot. Watch out. Where you brought my blood clot face? I come here and want wood and let them say blood my face. What about the man there? Jack's inside. Jack. Yes, I know. What are you talking about? What about? What if I call a name? I want some grind. Jakes, you inside? Now my Jakes inside, but Jakes not fuck me. Where show me him for? Am I right? Pass my dildo. Jakes inside. Good morning. Pass my dildo. You fuck me 1 and 2. One go stiff up your wood, I'll take it right now. Grab Baba no boots. Like, yeah, must be over here. My father's Jakes. My father's Jakes, what happened if I at the end of something? Oh God. My father said, Rosa kill me this body. May I kill her with Dyema? Dyema, may I kill her, but this is funny. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Dyema, if you feel so next week, you know what I'm doing now? You there? If you feel so next week, I'm seeing. Oh my. Listen, my dear, when I wake up on Rosealee live, I wake up on the Dan live. You know, see sister, the Dan live. I don't know what you're saying. Rose Jack's inside. I'm in there, but him, nah, look. What me want him now, give me. It's Corey. I'm better know Jack's too, you know, but I feel like I want to feel something on my belly tonight. I do you like no miss? I want to feel something on my belly. I want to feel something hard and stiff in my belly. Let's do there. Jack's inside. I'm hurt. Jake's in our era, Jake's. Rock the 40-inch one side. Rapunzel style. Jake's? It's here. Rosealee, go on ball. You want to eat me KFC? If I saw we wake early? Yes, I saw Rose not sleeping. I saw me wake early. Nah, I just come from Dyema. I just come from the boys. Boy, I met. Boy, I'm going to take Meca leave for tomorrow because I'm going to say, I feel like I'm going to hurt Akeem back.
People, after this a big move, I make on something. I can't wait for hear what GX have to say in the next episode that GX and Rosealee. You see me I say because this, you hear what Rosealee has said? Rosealee a fall for Akeem and our people. Yo, GX. Boy, I don't know if it's seven people or give GX some advice in the comment section. May I beg you, please.
I met Jake's roll up. I met Jake's roll up the 40-inch by and I feel care for the bed friend. Jake's gone. Jake's gone. Jake's gone. But dear, what is for your sister? Yeah, alone. Yeah, saga. What is? You don't know what I can recommend, Dyema? No, my dear. Dyema, may I call you now? Jakes, why you have to go in this rum saga? What you doing that, man? Alright. So when Jakes say I do punish you? I don't know about me. I got Dyema. Next week Friday. And this a saga you have to go end up in a? Well, I'm asking a question. Next week Friday, Akeem come. Yeah. You know me, I come. You know they have company there one another. Dyema, you know I go. Dyema tonight me I wind them do the things that me know. Yeah. Don't forget upstairs. Rose, me see the pool hook and all them something there, you know, alright? But go on. Auntie very rumly canteen I'm bringing, you know. Alright, me not drink rum. I didn't see me a drink and weed. No, me just call it. Me don't know, me just call it. No, me say, what am I telling you? Me see I'm baby in the club, me dear. Rose, me got a market. I will be back. I end my life.